Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be changing the brake master cylinder on this 2006 Honda CRV. We'll get into it. First thing we're going to do is bench bleed the new master cylinder. You start by adding fluid to it. And I've got it clamped in a vise just so it'll hold it still and steady. The first thing I'm going to do is bench bleed. I got me a little rig set up here. It's not perfect, it is leaking. The biggest thing I just want to do is get all the air bubbles I can out of there, like that. Now we're going to start, unplug it here, push in on the plug, and then pull back. Mash. When you push in, you've got this little tab on the bottom that it will allow you to squeeze, and you pull that out. Set it out to the side. Go ahead and get our lines broke loose. And this will be fun having this brace right here in the way. We're going to loosen the fluid here, hoping I have my camera far enough out of the way that it doesn't get y'all. Let's work the new one into place. Make sure you're lined up everywhere. Stop this little beeping that we have, hopefully. Good and tight. Tighten up our brake lines. Don't over tighten. Just want that flare fitting to seal. plug back in. We've already bench bled, so we're going to top our reservoir back off. Alright, so we got it installed, got the master cylinder installed, so now we're going to bleed the brakes, okay? And what we have, I've loosened my screw about a quarter turn, my bleeder screw. This is it right here, okay? 3/16 fuel tubing, that will be used for a lawnmower or weed eater. We run it around this bottle. We've got clean brake fluid in it, and the hose is all the way down to the bottom, coming from the bleeder screw. So as I mash the brakes and it pushes air out, it allows the air to come up in here and it'll escape around the hole in the cap. And whenever you let off the brake pedal, when it creates a suction back to the line, it pulls the brake fluid back into the system. So that way you can bleed brakes by yourself. Okay, no air left in that one. It's all fluid throughout the line. So now we're just going to tighten that line back up, bleeder screw, and go to the next one. Okay, so that is how you change the brake master cylinder on a 2006 Honda CRV, and also way to bleed brakes on your own. So anyhow, if you like this kind of stuff, we, like I say, we work on our own stuff to keep it up and keep it going. So there's going to be plenty of repair type videos coming along. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put some affiliate links down in the description for the master cylinder and some of the tools used in the video. Anyhow, we'll catch y'all later, and just remember, you're going to get that on them big jobs. See y'all.